Hi everyone, welcome to the Shake Hand with Life YouTube channel. I am Narendra Sharma and today's video lecture is all about APQP Phase 3, Process Design and Development. Our goal in this phase is to create a robust manufacturing system that ensures top quality products. So let's dive in. The objective of APQP Phase 3 is to establish a comprehensive manufacturing system with effective control plans. This system will enable us to consistently produce high quality products that meet or exceed customer expectations. In Phase 3, we build upon the outputs from Phase 2, which include crucial elements such as design FMEA, design for manufacturing, design verification, design reviews, prototype build control plan, engineering drawings, engineering specifications, material specifications, drawing and specification changes, new equipment and tooling requirements, special product and process characteristics, gauge and testing equipment requirements, team feasibility commitment, and management support. Our first step in Phase 3 is to establish a packaging standard. This standard ensures that the packaging of our products is consistent, optimized for transportation and storage, and presents our products in the best possible way. Step 2. Product or process quality system review. Moving on to Step 2, we conduct a thorough review of the product and process quality system. This review helps us identify any gaps or areas for improvement in our manufacturing processes, ensuring a strong foundation for quality. Step 3 is process flow chart. Step 3 involves creating a process flow chart. This visual representation maps out the sequence of manufacturing steps, helping us identify potential bottlenecks and areas where quality checks are essential. Step number 4, floor plan layout. Step 4 focuses on designing the floor plan layout of our production area. An efficient layout minimizes unnecessary movement, optimizes space utilization, and ensures a smooth workflow. Step number 5, characteristics matrix. Step 5 introduces the characteristics matrix, an optional tool that illustrates the relationships between product characteristics and process parameters. This matrix helps us understand how changes in variables affect product quality. Step number 6, process FMEA. Step 6 is all about process failure mode and effect analysis, which is also known as process FMEA. This proactive approach helps us identify potential failure modes in the manufacturing process, assess their impact, and prioritize risk mitigation strategies. Step number 7, pre-launch control plan. In Step 7, we create a pre-launch control plan. This plan outlines critical control points and quality checks that must be conducted before the product enters full-scale production. It ensures a smooth and high-quality product launch. Step number 8, process instructions or work standards. Step 8 involves developing detailed process instructions or work standards. These documents guide operators through each manufacturing step, ensuring consistency and adherence to quality standards. Step number 9, measurement system analysis or MSA. Step 9 is dedicated to measurement system analysis, also known as MSA. A robust measurement system is essential for accurate and reliable quality data. MSA helps us evaluate the accuracy and precision of our measurement tools. Step number 10, preliminary process capability study plan. Moving on to Step 10, we develop a preliminary process capability study plan. This plan assesses the process's capability to consistently produce products within specified tolerances, helping us set realistic quality targets. Step number 11, packaging specification. Our final step, step 11, involves creating a packaging specification. This specification outlines the requirements for packaging materials, methods, and labeling, ensuring that our products are well protected and presented. And there you have it, a comprehensive overview of APQP Phase 3 process design and development. By following these steps and incorporating outputs from Phase 2, we lay the groundwork for a robust manufacturing system that delivers top-notch products. Thank you for joining me today, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on my upcoming videos. Remember, life is a handshake, make it a firm one.